Hello guys, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to flash this recovery on your Samsung J Max tab, which has build number SM285 ID tablet. So let's see, try to flash this 3.5.2 version of this TWRP recovery on your tab and see whether is it compatible with to flash Magis Manager or get root access to a new device. Let's see continue our video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and enjoy the video. Okay friends, here you can see my tablet. It's a Samsung J Max 1 which has SMT 285 ID OS. So we are going to flash TWRP recovery on this device. First of all, you need to open your setting app and scroll down, go to your about device option like this. In here you need to go to software info and tap on build numbers on several times until you get this message your developer mode is already enabled. Then you need to press back button and go to your developer options. Now we are on the developer options. Now you need to turn on USB debugging and also OEM unlock like this. Now okay friends, now you need to download and place Magis 21.4 zip file on your external storage like this. So here you can see I have already downloaded those zip files and placed them into my external storage. This is my external storage. Now here you can see I have already placed so many Magis versions, but those all versions are not supporting on my device. After flashing this Magis versions only work on root on my device, but I can't get any of module features onto my device, and also root has so many problems. So I need to flash 21.4 zip file if I want to get successful root access with Magis Manager to this device. So let's see, try to flash Magis Manager on my device. So I need to turn off my device. So now I'm going to power off my device. Then you need to open your Odin application. Here is my Odin application. And also you need to install Samsung USB drivers. I have already put those drivers into description of this video, so I'm not going to tell you how to install these USB drivers on your PC because it's too easy. You can install them on yourself, and also you need to download and extract your Odin zip file, which included in the description of this video. Then you can open this Odin exe. Now you need to load your recovery file into this AP partition. Here is my recovery. Now click open and also go to options and untick this auto reboot and F reset time options. Here you can see my device is already added, but I'm going to remove my USB cable and connect to download mode. Okay friends, now you need to click on your home button, power key and also volume down key together until your phone get onto this screen. Then you need to click on volume up button. Now we are on the download mode. Now you need to connect your device into PC. You need to have working USB cable. Here you can see we have successfully connected our device into PC. Now go to options and remove USB auto reboot and F reset time options, which we have already removed. Then you can see here our recovery is added successful to this Odin application. Now you can flash it on your Samsung JMax T 285YD tablet. This recovery is only working on this device. Don't try to flash this on another phone without porting it. So let's see, try to flash this recovery on my device. Here you can see splashing and is successfully. After you get in this blue message like this, then you can exit your Odin file and reboot your device. Now click on volume down key, volume up key, and also power key and home key until your screen is going to black. Press and hold them together. Now you need to immediately press and hold volume up key, power key and home key. Then you can see we are on my recovery. So you can see it's run 3.5.2 version. So now you can go to install and flash Magisk zip file on this device. Here is the Magisk 21.4 version. Now select it. Now we have successfully rooted our device and installed TWRP recovery on our device. If you have any problem of installing Magisk Manager application, you can download that application and in the description of this video and install it to your phone. Thank you all for watching this video. Let's reboot our phone. Okay, it's rebooting. Thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join me.